Hey guys, I'm so excited for today's video for two reasons. Number one, because you guys requested it, and number two, because I believe that having a language partner is... Wait, did I just tell you what today's video is going to be about? I think so. Well guys, today's video is going to be about making language partners and the best apps to find them. You guys requested for this video, and I believe that finding and having a language partner is so important, if not essential, when you're trying to learn and improve a language. Before we start, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're excited and want to make some language partners. First, let me explain what a language partner or a language exchange partner is, just in case. So a language partner is someone that is helping you learn your target language, or someone that is also learning your target language, so you guys mutually help each other out throughout the process. But a language exchange partner or an exchange partner is someone that speaks your target language and your native language is their target language. Okay, let me give you an example just in case. So imagine your native language is Spanish and you're trying to learn English, and somebody else's target language is Spanish and their native language is English. So they will help you with English and you will help them with Spanish. Does that make sense? Comment that down below. This video is not a step-by-step guide on finding, making, and what to do once you already have a language partner. If you guys are interested in that video, please comment it down below and I will make sure to make that video for you guys. But of course, I'm still going to include some tips and things you should know beforehand. Number one, you need to know that the apps that I'm going to talk about later on in this video are not a one-size-fits-all. You need to try them out to find one or two that you love. You also need to think about what you expect from this language exchange partner. Are they going to help you with your conversation skills? Are you trying to make a friend? Or are you just trying to find someone that will help you with your homework? Once you find them, it is extremely important that you actually like them and possibly want to be their friend. You can't just use them as a robot to just help you with your homework. Personally, I love making international friends. Oh wait, if you haven't checked out my video on how to make international friends, click here. As I was saying, I love making and having international friends. And because I end up building that bond with a person, the whole language exchange process is a lot more fun and rewarding. And who knows, maybe you actually end up being best friends. You also need to define your roles. This kind of goes to the question I made you ask yourself earlier. What do you expect from this partner? And do they expect the same thing? Once you have that figured out, you guys should create a routine. Maybe one day you talk in English and another day you talk in Spanish, or in the morning in English and at night in Spanish. You need to figure this out beforehand. Lastly, remember that you're doing this to learn and improve your target language. It has happened to me before that I get too caught up on talking with a person and I forget that I'm doing this to improve my French. So you need to be an active learner. What does that mean? Well, don't use the same vocabulary every single day. And if they say something that you don't understand, ask them what they meant and try and use it a couple days later. Now I will show you guys 4 apps for finding and making language exchange partners. The first app is HelloTalk. This is actually the first app I got when I was looking for a language exchange partner. My favorite thing about this app is all of its features. It has translation, transliteration, voice to text, or text to voice. What does that mean? Well, imagine you don't understand something, you can translate it. Or if someone sends you a voice message and you want to see or read what they said, well, using the voice to text, you can do that, or vice versa. This app also has a lot of privacy features like user blocking. And they have do not disturb hours, which means imagine you're at school and your language exchange partner sends you a message. Well, you won't receive the notification until after school, which will save you a lot of detention. My favorite thing about this app is that there's so many people using it that I'm sure you're going to be able to find a language exchange partner. The second app is Bilingual. This is by far the funnest app out there because they focus on making it fun and easy. And they have the cutest mascot named Shiro. What I love about this app is that in the beginning, they ask you some personal questions so they can find you a language exchange partner that has the same hobbies and interests as you. And they also have a smart chat which offers topics and phrases so you never run out of things to say. The third app is Tandem. This app gets called the Tinder but for language partners. This app has a lot of social networking features like following, writing reviews, blocking, filtering out who sees your profile, and you can upload up to 6 pictures. Even though this app might remind you of a dating app, Tandem clearly states that it is only for language partners. And you're able to interact with your friends by text, calling, and video chat. Pretty cool! And what I love about this app is that you also have the possibility of finding a tutor or even being one yourself. The fourth app isn't so much as a language partner app, but it gives you the most important and the best part about having a partner, which is that you ask them a question and they can help you. The app is HiNative. HiNative is a Q&A or a question and answers platform. All you have to do is ask a question and a native can help you. You also have the possibility of using the voice recorder option, which means that you will verbally ask the question and a native can correct you on your pronunciation or accent, which is awesome. But of course, you can't just get, you also have to give, which means that you have the possibility of helping other people that are learning your native language. That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you found it helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to get notified whenever I post a new video. And comment down below what video you want me to post next relating to friends and language partners. See you next week. Bye! Whoop!